Hi, welcome back. I'm Stephen from Media Sussex. You've probably seen some of the other WordPress tutorials we've been working through. We're using our website Media Sussex as the demonstration because it is built on a WordPress site. So we've talked about pages, we talked about the blog and the posts, and we've talked about widgets, which is this sidebar. What I'd like to talk about today is the appearance tab here and the menus. So it's literally a case of the dashboard, appearance, menus. This is when you control what goes up here in the navigation bar. In some websites you'll also have a navigation bar or menu down here, maybe even on the side. You can have various locations, and that's controlled here. There's only a primary navigation. It's the only one on this website, and probably would be the case for yours. But in some cases there'll be secondary and tertiary, perhaps, options there. So what I can do here is I can select which menu I'd like to have. No menu at all, and that would be just whichever list was, whichever alphabetical order or category that I've stated within the pages up here. Wouldn't recommend that. You probably shouldn't ever need to do that. But I've selected main menu here. Click save. Which one's the main menu? Well, that's this one that I've created here. And this is where you create the menu itself. I can add additional ones. So for just this moment, we're going to try and create a new one. We're going to call this backup menu. Okay, and we're going to create that menu. And now what I can do is start dragging pages across. So let's just say I want to keep it simple. I just want to add the main pages into this one. Now I can add links here. I could say, okay, I want one of the links on the navigation bar to link out to my YouTube page. So let's just do youtube.com/Stephen Holstock, okay? And the label is going to be YouTube. So I'm going to add that to the menu. And there it appears. It is pretty nice. Then here we've got the pages. This is the one normally that you're going to do. You probably wouldn't need to do any of the others. It's going to mainly focus around the pages. But let's view all. There's all the different pages that I've got. I'm going to select them all and just add them in there. That's going to look very similar to the other menu. One of the main things that you can do here is obviously add drop downs by just indenting them. And you can add drop downs to drop downs to drop downs if you really, really wanted to. So you could have some fun with that. So let's just click Save Menu there. And what you'll notice here is nothing has changed. Even on the website, everything is exactly as I made it. And the reason for that is because I haven't changed which menu I want to select. I've just left it with main menu. If I select Backup Menu, save, and refresh this page, you'll see it's gone crazy. Absolutely crazy. And which one was it? It was user agreement that has lots and lots underneath it, and I just keep going forever. But I'm going to change that back to main menu because I don't want it to get too confusing for any visitors that may be here at the moment. So reload, and there we go, back to normal. Okay. Also, what you can do is you can scroll down a little bit further. You can add entire categories. So say for example, I wanted to add every post that is tagged and under advertisements, advertising. That's just there. What I'll do is I'll switch back to the main menu. Leave that page, please, and I'll add it into this menu here. So advertising will be at the end. I click Save Menu there and reload it. There it is. So I click it. That actually displays all the posts that are relating to advertising because I've tagged them, categorized them as advertising. Tags are slightly different. It's mainly just for SEO reasons you tag, but also if I was to click that, it'll just bring up everything that's tagged there too. That's just a by the by. Okay, so I'm going to remove that. To do that, you just go back to your menu page, which is here, add the drop down, and click remove. It's pretty simple, really. When you're happy with the layout, click save. There we go. I was to refresh the home page there. You notice the advertising links disappeared. So that's pretty much it. That's how you manage your menus.